Hi, and welcome back to Watch Your English channel. Today, we are going to practice the really useful English grammar with some, any, and no. Let's read some real life stories. We will go through each story, and you will help me fill in the blanks by guessing the missing words. Ready? Let's go. Marco from Brazil. Most people say that Saturday or Sunday are their favorite days of the week, but not everybody. For some people, weekends are not much fun. Marco from Brazil is a waiter. I hate the weekend. The weekend is when I am busiest. I never go anywhere, and I don't really do anything except work. On Friday and Saturday nights, we are usually full, and I have to be on my feet for 7 or 8 hours both days. We are supposed to close at 1, but people often don't leave until 1:30 or even later. They never think that we might want to go home. Nobody thinks about that. Luckily, we close after lunch on Sunday, but when I get home, usually at about 5:30, I'm so tired that I don't want to see anybody or do anything except lie on the sofa and watch TV. Sometimes I think about going somewhere just for fun, but I never have the energy. The best day of the week for me is Wednesday. That's my day off. I do something relaxing, like going for a walk or cooking. Kristen from Germany. Kristen is a housewife. I must admit, for me now, the weekends are more tiring than the week. During the week, I have somebody to help me, but at the weekends, we are on our own. My husband is always exhausted from his job and wants to relax, but nobody can relax with two small kids around. Our flat isn't very big, so there is nowhere you can go to have some peace and quiet. There is never anything interesting on TV either. Before we had children, I used to work too, and weekends were perfect. We had nothing to do except enjoy ourselves. We could go anywhere, eat something delicious, and spend time with somebody we liked. Now, I'm really happy when it's Monday morning. Steve from the UK. Now, let's hear about Steve, a soccer player. You know what to do. Help me fill in the blanks. My weekend is usually more stressful than during the week. If we are playing at home, I can't go out on Friday night. All my friends know that, so nobody invites me out. I eat something light, watch TV, and go to bed early. Very boring. On Saturday morning, I usually relax and prepare myself mentally. What I do on Saturday night depends on whether we win or lose. If we win, we go out somewhere to celebrate. If we lose, we are too depressed to go anywhere. When we play away, the weekend doesn't exist. We travel somewhere, play, and then travel back again. Sometimes I wish I could just have a lazy weekend doing nothing, just sitting around with somebody and relaxing. Time for a quick review. I'll read a sentence with a missing word. You say the correct word out loud or in the comments. There is in the box. It's completely empty. Nothing. There is nothing in the box. It's completely empty. Did you see in the hallway just now? Somebody or anybody? Did you see somebody in the hallway just now? Did you see anybody in the hallway just now? I couldn't find my phone. Anywhere. I couldn't find my phone anywhere. I want to do fun this weekend. Something. I want to do something fun this weekend. Called me last night, but I didn't answer. Somebody. Somebody called me last night, but I didn't answer. We had to eat, so we ordered pizza. Nothing. We had nothing to eat, so we ordered pizza. Is there? You want to ask me? Anything. Is there anything you want to ask me? After work, I didn't go. I just went straight home. Anywhere. After work, I didn't go anywhere. I just went straight home. I wanted to eat sweet, but the kitchen was empty. Something. I wanted to eat something sweet, but the kitchen was empty. Let's go special this weekend. Somewhere. Let's go somewhere special this weekend. She heard knock on the door, but no one was there. Somebody. She heard somebody knock on the door, but no one was there. There is to worry about. Everything is fine. Nothing. There is nothing to worry about. Everything is fine. It was late and dark. I didn't see on the street. Anybody. It was late and dark. I didn't see anybody on the streets. Great job! If you learned something today, give this video a like. Leave a comment with the correct words of the review quiz. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss anything in the next lessons. I'll see you in the next video. Take care and keep practicing.